How to use filters to find furniture by style or price on Wayfair. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use different filters. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Here on the top, you can directly search for furniture, or else there's a new feature added in this app. Here on the bottom, you can see this Discover button. Simply tap on Discover, and here on the top at the search bar, directly search for furniture. Now here on the right hand side, there's a filter button too. Simply tap on Filter and you can customize it according to your wish. Here you'll be able to find different categories that are available. Now simply select the one that you're looking for. Here there are different options available. At last, here on the bottom, tap on Show All Results. So it will take some time, and as you can see, everything will pop up according to your needs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you